Hey there, gearheads. Welcome to a new era of driving. Jay Leno here, and let me tell you, the future of driving is looking pretty darn interesting. We've come a long way from the days of horse-drawn carriages to the roaring engines of muscle cars, and now we're stepping into the realm of self-driving cars. We're talking about self-driving cars, folks, and they're not just some sci-fi fantasy anymore. These vehicles are equipped with cutting-edge technology that allows them to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and even make decisions in real time. Companies like Waymo and Tesla are leading the charge, putting cars on the road that can practically drive themselves. These companies are investing heavily in research and development to ensure that autonomous vehicles are safe, reliable, and efficient. Now, I know what you're thinking. Jay, I love driving. Nobody's taking my steering wheel. And trust me, I get it. There's nothing quite like the thrill of being behind the wheel, feeling the power of the engine and the freedom of the open road, and I hear you. But these autonomous vehicles, as they call them, aren't about replacing the joy of driving. They're about enhancing our driving experience and providing us with more options. Imagine being able to switch to autonomous mode during a long, tedious commute or when you're stuck in traffic. They're about making our roads safer, our commutes easier, and our lives a whole lot more convenient. Autonomous vehicles are designed to reduce human error, which is a leading cause of accidents. With advanced sensors and algorithms, these cars can react faster than a human ever could. Imagine this, you're stuck in traffic on the 405, bored out of your skull. The stop-and-go traffic is driving you nuts, and you can't wait to get home. But instead of stewing in frustration, you let your car take over, and boom! You're free to catch up on some emails, read a book, or even take a little nap. The car handles the driving and you get to make the most of your time. You're free to catch up on some emails, read a book, or even take a little nap. That's the promise of autonomous vehicles, and it's getting closer every day. The convenience and flexibility they offer are truly game-changing. That's the promise of autonomous vehicles, and it's getting closer every day. The technology is evolving rapidly, and we're seeing new advancements all the time, from sophisticated sensors to powerful AI. These cars are becoming more capable and reliable. Of course, we're not quite at the Jetsons level yet, where cars fly themselves. But who knows? With the pace at which technology is advancing, flying cars might not be as far-fetched as they once seemed. But with the rapid pace of technology, who knows what the future holds? Engineers and scientists are working tirelessly to push the boundaries of what's possible. Every day we're getting closer to a world where autonomous vehicles are a common sight on our roads. One thing's for sure, the automotive world is in for a wild ride, and I can't wait to see where it takes us. From classic cars to futuristic self-driving vehicles, the journey has been incredible, and the future looks even more exciting. So buckle up, folks, because the ride is just getting started. Okay, so we know these self-driving cars are out there, but how do they actually work? How do these vehicles manage to navigate through busy streets, avoid obstacles, and ensure the safety of their passengers? Well, it's all thanks to some pretty amazing technology. These cars are equipped with a combination of sensors, cameras, and advanced software that work together seamlessly. Think of it like giving a car a brain, eyes, and ears, all working together to navigate the world. Each component plays a crucial role in ensuring the car can drive itself safely and efficiently. First, you've got sensors placed all around the vehicle. These sensors are essential for detecting the car's immediate surroundings. These sensors are like the car's sense of touch, detecting objects and measuring distances. They can identify other vehicles, pedestrians, and even small obstacles on the road. Then there are cameras, acting as the eyes, capturing a 360-degree view of the surroundings. These cameras provide real-time visual data, allowing the car to see everything around it. And let's not forget about LiDAR, which is like radar but uses lasers to create a detailed 3D map of the environment. LiDAR is crucial for understanding the car's position relative to other objects, but all that data wouldn't mean much without a brain to process it, right? This is where the real magic happens. That's where artificial intelligence, or AI, comes in. AI is the central processing unit that takes all the data from the sensors and cameras and makes sense of it. AI is the magic sauce that allows these cars to make sense of all the information coming in, make decisions, and navigate roads safely. It processes the data in real time, ensuring the car can react to any situation instantly. It's like teaching a computer to drive, but way more sophisticated. The AI system is trained using vast amounts of data, learning from millions of miles of driving footage. The AI system learns from millions of miles of driving data, constantly improving its ability to recognize objects, predict their behavior, and react accordingly. It's pretty mind-blowing stuff. The more data it processes, the smarter it gets, making self-driving cars safer and more reliable over time. Imagine a self-driving car navigating through a busy city. It has to deal with unpredictable pedestrians, cyclists, and other vehicles. The AI uses its vast knowledge to predict what each of these elements might do next and plans its actions accordingly. For instance, if a pedestrian suddenly steps onto the road, the AI will quickly calculate the best course of action, whether it's to stop, slow down, or maneuver around the obstacle. This split-second decision-making is what makes self-driving technology so impressive. Engineers continuously test these vehicles in various conditions, from heavy rain to snow, to ensure they can handle any situation. The goal is to make self-driving cars as reliable as possible, no matter the environment. In the future, we might see self-driving cars communicating with each other and with smart city infrastructure, making transportation even more efficient and safe. The possibilities are endless, and the technology is evolving rapidly. So next time you see a self-driving car on the road, remember all the incredible technology and innovation that goes into making it possible. These bad boys are not just cars, they're a glimpse into the future of transportation. Now I know what you're thinking. Jake, can we really trust these self-driving cars? What about safety? It's a question that has been on everyone's mind since the inception of autonomous vehicles. The idea of a car driving itself, making decisions on the road, and ensuring the safety of its passengers is both fascinating and terrifying. And that's a valid concern, folks. After all, we're talking about putting our lives in the hands of machines that, despite their advanced technology, are still prone to errors. It's natural to be skeptical and to question the reliability of these vehicles. The good news is that safety is a top priority for companies developing autonomous vehicles. These companies are investing billions of dollars into research and development to ensure that their cars are as safe as possible. They conduct rigorous testing in controlled environments, simulating countless scenarios to prepare the cars for real-world conditions. These cars are designed to be much safer than human drivers who can get distracted, tired, or, let's be honest, a little too enthusiastic with the gas pedal. Human error is a leading cause of accidents, and autonomous vehicles aim to eliminate that risk. With their advanced sensors and AI systems, self-driving cars can react faster than humans. They are equipped with LiDAR, radar, and multiple cameras that provide a 360-degree view of the surroundings. This technology allows the car to detect obstacles, pedestrians, and other vehicles with incredible precision, see in all directions at once, and process vast amounts of data in real time. This capability enables the car to make informed decisions quickly, something that human drivers might struggle with, especially in high-stress situations, and make split-second decisions to avoid accidents. For instance, if a pedestrian suddenly steps onto the road, the car can instantly calculate the best course of action to avoid a collision. This level of responsiveness is crucial for ensuring the safety of everyone on the road. Plus, they don't get drunk, sleepy, or road rage. Unlike human drivers, autonomous vehicles don't suffer from fatigue or emotional distress. They operate consistently and predictably, which can significantly reduce the likelihood of accidents caused by human factors. But it's not all smooth sailing just yet. There are still challenges to overcome, such as navigating in adverse weather conditions like heavy rain or snow. Engineers are continuously working to improve the technology, but it's a complex and ongoing process. There have been some high-profile accidents involving autonomous vehicles which have raised concerns about their reliability. These incidents have sparked debates about the readiness of self-driving cars for widespread use and have led to calls for stricter regulations and more comprehensive testing. And let's face it, technology can be unpredictable sometimes. Even the most advanced systems can experience glitches or malfunctions. It's important to acknowledge these limitations and continue to strive for improvements. The journey towards fully autonomous vehicles is a marathon, not a sprint, and it's essential to address these challenges head-on.